Welcome to our guide on home security systems. Today, we'll explore the best resources to help you protect your home and family. First, let's dive into some essential books. Home Security, a Guide to Protecting Your Home and Family by Michael A. Martin is a must-read. For those interested in smart home technology, Smart Home Security by David L. Lewis offers valuable insights and best practices. Podcasts are another great resource. The Home Security Podcast on Apple Podcasts covers a wide range of home security topics. If you prefer video content, check out Home Security Systems, a beginner's guide on YouTube for a comprehensive overview. AI tools can also enhance your home security. Home Security Scanner by Home Security Scanner identifies vulnerabilities and offers recommendations. Online courses provide in-depth knowledge. Home Security, a comprehensive guide on Udemy, covers everything from cameras to alarm systems. Finally, websites like homesecurity.com offer extensive guides and tips. Stay informed and keep your home safe with these valuable resources.